Today, Professor Dr. Manoj Kumar will discuss on the logistic outsourcing and the selection of the third-party logistics selection provided via the FADGI. A master thesis. He will discuss about the master thesis about. In today's competitive business world, it is extremely important for decision maker to have access to the decision support tools in order to make quick, right, and accurate decision. One of these decision making area is the logistic service provider selection. Logistic service provider selection is a multi-criteria decision making process that deals with the optimization of the conflicting objectives such as a quality, cost, and delivery time. It is not supported by a system. This would be a complex and the time-consuming process. In spite of the fact that the term logistic service provider selection is commonly used in the literature and many methods and the models have been designed to help decision makers. Few efforts have been dedicated to develop a system based on any of these methods. In this thesis, logistic service provider selection decision system based on the ASP analytical hierarchy method, which has been commonly used for the multi-criteria decision-making problem, is proposed. In as such, it is believed that the fuzzy concept and usage of the empirical data extend the capability of the any modeling approach, integrating them into the model, which lead to the more powerful system to validate choice of the fuzzy HP model and to also validate the conceptual design of the logistic service provider selection decision support system. It is conducted a case study in an example of a company. Keywords are the logistic service provider selection, fuzzy ASP, 3PL. Table of contents are the list of the tables, list of the figure, abbreviation, introduction, motivation of the research, research objective, thesis organized. Logistics pages of the logistics as a functional specialization, logistics as a coordinate function, logistics as an enabler or process orientation within the firm, logistics as a supply chain management. Performance effect of the logistic development. Outsourcing, what is outsourcing, what is the organization outsource, critical success factors for the outsourcing. Logistic outsourcing, origin and definition, benefits and risk of the logistic outsourcing. Advantage of the logistic outsourcing. Disadvantage of the logistic outsourcing. Balance sheet impact of the logistic outsourcing. The role of the logistic service provider in the logistic outsourcing. Generous logistic service provided in the firm. Logistic outsourcing research. Selection of the logistic outsourcing company. Selection method. Specific problem related to the selection of a provider. Criteria for the selection of a provider. Data and methodology, analytical hierarchy process, fuzzy set theory, fuzzy numbers, algebraic operation on the triangular formula number. Fuzzy elastic hierarchy process, algorithm of the fuzzy elastic method, application of the fuzzy ASP method in the literature, application of the fuzzy ASP methodology, a case company structuring selection model, potential providers, pair-wise comparison matrices, questionnaire design and the data collection integration, the opinions of the decision maker, data input analysis using the fuzzy ASP, the fuzzy evaluation matrix with respect to the goal, evaluation of the sub-attribute with respect to the cost of the service, evaluation of the sub-attribute with respect to the financial performance, evaluation of the sub-attribute with respect to the operational performance, evaluation of the sub-attribute with respect to the reputation of the 3PL, evaluation of the sub-attribute with respect to the long-term relationship, pair-wise comparison of the alternative. Results are given there, discussions are given there, conclusions are given there, references are given there, appendix are given there. Key logistic outsourcing related findings since 1919 to the present. Questionnaire forms used to facilitate comparison of the main and the substitute are given. List of the tables are given. List of the tables are given there. There are the 28 tables are there. List of the figures, 28 figures, 8 figures are given, which is given there. Abbreviations are given there. Introduction, motivation of the research. What is the motivation of the research is given there. Research objective. What is the research objective? That is given there. thesis organization is given there. Literature review is given there. What is the outsourcing that is given there? What is the organization outcome that is given there? Reasons for the outsourcing that is given there. Critical success factor for the outsourcing that is given there. Logistic outsourcing is given there. Benefits and risk of the logistic outsourcing is given there. Advantages of the logistic outsourcing is given there. Disadvantage of the logistic outsourcing is given there. Balance sheet of the impact of the logistic outsourcing is given there. The role of the logistic service provider in the logistic outsourcing is given there. General logistic outsourcing perspective is given there. Logistic outsourcing research is given there. Selection of the logistic outsourcing company, 3PL company, is given there. Selection method are given there. Criteria for the fuzzy ASP is given there. Data and methodology is given there. LRT hierarchy process is given there. Fuzzy set theory is given there. Fuzzy numbers are given there. Algebraic operation of the TFN is given there. Algorithm of the fuzzy ASP methodology is given there. Application of the fuzzy ASP method is given there. Structuring selection model is given there. This is the structuring of the selection model. LRT hierarchy process is given there. Fuzzy evaluation metric with respect to the goal is given there. This is the fuzzy SPOL program scheme is given. This is the fuzzy SPOL methodology program scheme is given. Results are given there. Discussions are given there. Conclusions are given there. References are given there. Books references are given there. Periodicals references are given there. Other sources are given there. Appendix is given there. Key logistic outsourcing related finding from 1999 to the present is given there. Very important information is given there. Questionnaire is given there. Very important questionnaires are given there in the form of the 52 questionnaires are given.